Owen, I think I'm gonna be a professional wrestler when I grow up. Owen, you're such a trickster. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got the point. You don't think I'm gonna be a professional wrestler. You don't have to exaggerate it. Seriously, dude, calm down. What? Charades. Sick man. Choking man. First word. Second word. Third word. Fourth word. Fifth word.
I think I have to go home.
What does this mean? We were just having so much fun playing charades together.
I'm so sorry, dear.
Oh my gosh. Think of all the charades we did.
Thanks, dude.
No, seriously, I don't actually get what you were trying to be.